I'm Sean with Priority Builders, and we're out here at the estate's bathroom renovation. So we gutted the bathroom all the way down to the studs, totally reorganized the space. It's totally different. It's freaking awesome. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you guys through, and I'm gonna show you all these cool design features and what we did. Stay tuned. So we totally repositioned this entire bathroom. When we started, the toilet was right here. So the toilet was right where the vanity is. And I'll actually tell you guys later why we moved the toilet. Super important part of this renovation. But yeah, there used to be a wall. So there was like a wall that came out to here, and the entryway into the bathroom was over, actually past this wall. And you had to walk in, you'd walk in through here, and then you walk into this little space, and then there was this corridor to the toilet, and it was a lot of wasted space. So our design team worked super hard on figuring out a more functional layout, and it made sense that when we walk into the bathroom here, first thing you have is your sink. Because anytime you use your bathroom, it doesn't mean you're gonna go walk all the way to the toilet or the shower or anything like that. Sometimes you just wanna wash your hands, and it just makes sense to have a vanity right at the front of the bathroom. So look at this thing. This is just sweet. You got the tile running all the way from the floor to the ceiling, so that's not actually wood, that's tile. Awesome mirrors, sconce lighting, and then way up above, we also did some pot lights. We built that bulkhead there just to get the proper positioning for those pot lights and ensuring it wasn't too high. And in order to reduce some of the costs, we ended up going with a pre-built vanity. So a custom-built vanity to this space with quartz counters and everything like that can be expensive. And one solution is just to go with a pre-built unit like this. It's not gonna be an absolute perfect fit, but the way we position everything, it looks absolutely perfect in my opinion. And then down below, we do have the heat vent there to keep your feet nice and toasty warm while you're hanging out and doing your thing at your vanity. And look at these floating shelves. White oak floating shelves, all the way from down below, all the way up high. That's a 10-foot ceiling in here. So we added these shelves here not only for storage, but it's a super nice design feature because when you walk into the bathroom, it's the first thing you see. Just gives a little bit of color, gives a little bit of texture, and clients absolutely love it. And anytime you have a bathroom renovation or any like small space, a basement, anything like that, every square inch matters. And that's where through the design process, the girls always knock it out of the park there. So, but look at this. Look at this awesome freestanding tub here. Wrapped with tile all the way around, just in case you're, splishing and splashing and having your bubble bath there with your rubber ducky, whatever you got. So yeah, interesting story with this tub here, and more specifically with this tub filler. So we got the tub filler there. You can wash yourself off. Water comes out of here as well. But unfortunately, we installed this and it was defective. So it went in, unfortunately it was defective. I called our manufacturer supplier, told them the situation. They're like, hey, don't worry, we'll ship you one in a couple days. And we're gonna pay for the tile repair, we're gonna pay for inconveniences, all that kind of stuff. They did, they sent us a check. We got it all fixed up and everybody was taken care of. And that just speaks to the importance of the relationships that we built over the years with our suppliers. And when you go forward with us, if there's ever an issue, boom, like that, we'll fix it. That's what we did. And you would never know that we did a little repair there. But look how sweet this is. Tile wrapping around like that, looks so good. Love that. So again, everything moved in this bathroom, right? So the shower was never here. The shower is actually where the cameraman's standing right now. And through the design process, we went through the layout, the AutoCAD drawings, the 3D renderings and everything like that. And we figured that this was the very best spot for this shower and for the total layout. So yeah, we got this awesome shower, which is huge and goes all the way up the tile up to 10 feet. 10-foot ceiling height, and it's perfect. It's absolutely fantastic. So this door swings both ways. So you can just pull it out this way and get in here. And we've set this up for big people. So I'm 260 pounds, 6'5", and this rain shower head is way up there. So I can use this, I can stand up straight, I can have good posture. We even have the wand wash, which is really nice to have. And everybody loves the wand wash. You gotta have that. It's got the slide bar on it too, so it comes up and down. And if you want, you know, you're a little bit shorter, you can shower under that, whatever works for you. You've got a thermostatic valve on there, so you can set the temperature, and every time you turn it on, it'll be the same temp. Sweet niche back here. And one thing you can't see in this renovation, which is actually below the floor, is we have a hot water recirculation pump. So the recirculation pump essentially allows for almost instant hot water. So you get the hot water circulating underneath the floor, and as soon as you turn the shower on, you don't have to wait for like a minute or 30 seconds or 20 seconds. It's like almost instant, you got the hot water, right? So it's nice for the bathtub, it's nice for washing your hands. Just another cool feature that you can't see, but makes a huge difference. And the most important feature of this bathroom, the husband got one thing. He could select one thing for this bathroom, and it was the toilet position. And he said, you know what? I want to sit down and I want to look at my amazing States property. And you know what? I can say that when I take a seat down here and I look outside, it is a beautiful view. So you're welcome. You got one out of 200 selections for this bathroom. But hey, isn't that the way it works out? So from this angle, you can see where we've got the vanity, and then through here, we have the walk-in closet. Let's check it out. So now we're in the closet. And like I said, this whole renovation, totally different layout. The closet door was actually, this is gonna be really weird. This wall would have been back here, and the door to the closet would have been like right here. So if you think about that, like the space for the closet would have been, it was just this tiny little closet with those really crappy wire shelves. Don't you just hate those freaking wires? Do you have wire shelves in your house? If so, we can replace those for you. But yeah, there's the wire shelves. They were ripping out of the wall. There was no space in here. Clients wanted a totally different design closet, so we added some shelves built in here. And yeah, we just got the nice wraparound closet. So you got the bar underneath, and then up top, we did it in a little bit different way, where we actually attached the bar to the other bar there. And that just allows for extra hanging space, really. So you get the full function of it. It's nice and high. So if you got, you know, long shirts or anything like that, you can use that. And then if you look up top, there's still like 3-4 feet. So clients wanted some extra storage possibilities, and now they can stack everything up. This stuff is like super sturdy, it's really strong. So you can do pull-ups from it if you want to. So it's like a gym closet kind of mixture, right? But yeah, that is the closet. I'm Sean with Priority Builders, and we just walked through this awesome bathroom renovation, gutted it down to studs, totally different layout. Looks freaking awesome now. Clients are really happy. Can't wait to get in here and start using it. So if you're looking for a renovation and you're in the Edmonton area, maybe you're as far as this place here. So this is way north of Spruce Grove in the Estates properties. We were happy to come out here and deliver a freaking awesome renovation. And if you're looking for a renovation too, you want a bathroom as cool as this, definitely give Priority Builders a call. Again, I'm Sean with Priority Builders, and this renovation definitely gets the thumbs up. Until next time. This bathroom definitely gets the thumbs up. Cool. Oh, I forgot to. Yeah.